Hey guys, 5 years, that's how long I've been creating videos on YouTube. And after all this time, I'm still not making any money. And I'm still not at the watch hours needed for monetization. If you've been grinding away at your channel and wondering why success seems so far out of reach, I get it. Because I'm living it. When I started a channel, I thought it would be just to take consistency. Make videos, put them out there, and eventually subscribers and watch hours would follow. No, that's not true. But the reality is, it's not that simple. I've uploaded videos for years, and while I've gotten views here and there, it hasn't been enough to cross that magical threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours. And let me tell you, it is discouraging. So, why am I not there yet after 5 years? Good question. First, I'll be real with you. Sometimes my content has been too broad. Made videos on a lot of different topics, but that can confuse YouTube algorithm and viewers. People like consistency, and I've struggled with that. Second, I haven't always focused on titles, thumbnails, and keywords. Those three things are the difference between a video people will click on or a video they just scroll past. Third, audience retention. Even when people click, keeping them watching is tough. Sometimes my videos start slow or I don't get to the point fast enough and people drop off. That hurts watch time. Yeah, that hurts. Hurts watch time. I tell you what, YouTube is not a quick money-making machine. It's a long game. Some creators blow up in a few months, but for most of us, it takes years of experience. Failing and adjusting. Years might sound like a lot, but I'm improving the right things. Time alone won't get me monetized. I should ride the school bus, hear it? And here is the truth. Just working hard isn't hard enough. You have to work smart. Study the analytics, understand what your audience responds to, and keep testing if something works. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make it work, y'all. Let me know. Let me know what you think about this. So why am I not making money on YouTube after 5 years? It comes down to focus, strategy, and execution. It's not because I'm lazy. I'm out there trying to talk about it. It's not because I don't care. It's because this platform rewards patience, learning, and constant improvement. How about that? Improvement, constant patience. If you're watching this and feeling the same frustration, don't give up, guys. But don't just keep doing the same thing either, like I'm doing. I got to change this. Study what works, double down on it, and don't be afraid to pivot. Only go forward. Have you been struggling with YouTube growth? Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge? And if you want to follow along with my journey as I keep learning and pushing forward towards monetization, hit that subscribe button and like. We can figure this out together. It's a journey, guys, I tell you. I want to keep on moving. Can't make a living off this though. Not yet, at least. I'll let you know when.